Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Vaikunta Ekadashi is observed according to solar calendar, and that is Dhanurmasa. So sometimes it will be Margasira Krishna Paksha Ekadashi, and sometimes Pausha or Pushya Shukla Paksha Ekadashi. We hear all kinds of comments like, this is the most important one of all Ekadashis. It is enough to do the fasting on that day, and it is equivalent of doing on all Ekadashis. And so it's okay to skip other Ekadashis. Maybe other Ekadashis are not that important. Another big misconception is that it is for only Vaishnavas or Vishnu Bhaktas, etc. To understand that it is meant for everyone, we first should understand what it is. If all have the same importance, why stress on this Vaikunta Ekadashi? As we all know, the word upavasa is translated as fasting, but that is only one of the things we do on Ekadashi. Upa also means near and vasa is staying. So upavasa also means staying close to God. On that day, the devotee should do chintana, smarana, shravana, manana, and dhyana, etc. as upasana. Then that would please the Lord. The taste organ is the most difficult to control. We have 11 indriyas or internal organs, pancha jnanendriyas, pancha karmendriyas, and manas. Controlling these Ekadasha indriyas is not easy. And one of the most important benefits of Ekadashi is to put us on this path of controlling our sense organs. The question still remains as to why this importance, publicity, and promotion for Vaikunta Ekadashi. It is said in Shastras that some things are given as a rojanartha. For example, for a child, if we give bitter antibiotic, the child does not like that much. If we add some sweetener or tasty ingredients and give, the child likes it and the disease gets cured. Initially, the child thinks that the sweet part of it cured the disease. But as the child grows up, it starts to realize that the antibiotic part is what cured and does not want to the sweetener anymore. So when so much is spoken highly about Vaikunta Ekadashi, many will start observing that, and as they advance, they start realizing that all Ekadashis need to be observed. The purpose of all these is smartavyo satam Vishnu vismartavyo najatusit. We should always remember Lord Vishnu and never forget him. But then we give importance to some punya kalas and hear that chanting his name and reciting his glories in those times are a lot more beneficial. Once people do that on those special times, they realize the importance and do more and more. This is a bit similar to that. So Kuntha is dosha or flaw. Vaikunta means without flaws. The Lord Narayana is without any flaws and full of auspicious qualities. Thinking about him and acquiring the right knowledge is the sure path for Vaikunta or liberation. Without the right scriptural knowledge, it is not possible to have the direct vision of the indwelling Lord. Without such direct vision, it is not possible to have the liberation. So this is what we have to remember. Hare Srinivasa, Sri Krishna Arpanamastu.